Hello everyone. Let's learn about Amazon S3 storage classes. Amazon S3 offers multiple storage classes to help you balance cost, performance and availability of data depending upon how often you access your data. The first class is S3 standard. It is designed for frequently accessed data with very high durability, that is 11 nines, and availability of 99.99%. It is the most expensive of all the storage classes, but it is having the lowest latency in terms of accessing the data. Examples where we can use S3 standards are websites, mobile apps, frequently accessed files. It stores data across multiple availability zones for fault tolerance. The second type is S3 intelligent tiering. It automatically moves object between frequent and infrequent access tiers based on its usage. In terms of cost, there is a small monitoring fee per object, but automatically it optimizes cost. Examples where we can use S3 intelligent tiering are data lakes, analytics, and unpredictable workloads. The third class is S3 standard infrequent access. It is used for data accessed less often but still requiring fast retrieval. Durability is again 11 nines, availability is 99.9%, and in terms of cost it is lower than standard but it has a retrieval fee. Examples where we can use S3 standard infrequent access are backups, disaster recovery files, and data is stored across multiple availability zones for resilience. The fourth type is S3 one zone infrequent access. It stores data in a single availability zone. It is cheaper than standard infrequent access but less resilient to AZ failure. The durability is again 11 nines, but the data is stored in only single availability zone. Availability is 99.5%. In terms of cost, it is cheaper than standard infrequent access. And examples where we can use S3 one zone infrequent access, it is ideal for recreatable data or secondary backups. Best when durability matters, but multi-AZ resilience is not required. The fifth one is S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval. It archives data that you rarely access but need immediate retrieval. Durability is again 11 nines. Availability is 99.9%, and in terms of cost it is much cheaper than standard infrequent access. Examples where we can use S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval is media and broadcasting archives, older video or image content that needs to be archived but occasionally retrieved fast. Example for breaking news segments. The sixth one is S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval. Here archival data with minutes to hours of retrieval time. The retrieval options here are expedited, that is in 1 to 5 minutes data is retrieved, standard that is 3 to 5 hours, and bulk is 5 to 12 hours. In terms of cost, it is very low storage cost. Retrieval charges apply here. And examples where we can use S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval is long-term backups, media archives, storing large sets of medical scans or genomic data that can be retained for compliance but rarely accessed. And the last one is S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Here the use case where we can use is long-term archiver, rarely accessed, maybe once or twice a year. The retrieval time is 12 to 48 hours, and in terms of cost, it is the lowest cost storage class in S3. Examples where we can use is regulatory compliance, long-term scientific data sets, and financial records. Please follow and subscribe to my channel Tech Universe with Asma. Thank you.